As India continues to battle the monstrous COVID surge, social media has been flooded with appeals, SOS, emergency requests for all kinds of things. Beds, plasma, remdesivir, admissions into hospitals, any sort of help. But there's a positive side to what's happening because the youth wings of our major political parties have really stepped up like never before. Youth wings with their high-reach networks across the country have mobilized their members to become first responders for people with emergency cases. Starting with the Congress's Indian Youth Congress, to the BJP's youth wing, the BJYM, to the Yuva Sena in Maharashtra, to the Aam Aadmi Party's youth wing in Delhi. They've been carrying out relief work all across in the pandemic and truly getting out and giving a lending hand, from carrying out door-to-door sanitization drives to helping in vaccine registration. Workers in these youth wings are at the forefront of the COVID fight. The Youth Congress had begun this entire mission by being very active on the field, arranging plasma, distributing food and masks to the needy. And what began as a one-off case of helping the needy has become an extremely organized, highly galvanized and highly mobilized effort via social media and reaching down to the grassroots. I'm joined now by B.V. Srinivas, who is the chief of the Indian Youth Congress, Rahul Kanal, core committee member of the Yuva Sena, Charu Pragya, senior leader of the BJYM and also a panelist for the BJP, and Ankush Narang, who is a leader of the Aam Aadmi Party's youth wing. Welcome to all of you. First of all, I know how difficult the job that each one of you is doing, and I also know that you've probably not had much sleep for the last many days. Srinivas, I want to come to you first. Your social media has been completely flooded with requests. You know, one hasn't seen the Indian Youth Congress mobilized in such an amazing way over the last few days. Tell us what the last few days has been like, Srinivas.
नमस्कार अरोज जी, आप लोग देख रहे हैं लगातार किस तरीके से हालत हो गया लास्ट 10 दिन से
जी।
जो लोग इतना पैनिक हो चुका है, लगातार कोशिश कर रहा है। SOS IYC हम लोग ने एक सोशल मीडिया में कैंपेनिंग चलाया था। कोई किसी का ज़रूरत है वो लोग हमको SOS टैग करके हम लोग के लिए रिक्वेस्ट मांग सकता है, उन लोग के लिए मदद करने के लिए। कम से कम अभी तक मोर देन 55,000 रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ओवर इंडिया आया है। तो उसमें 1000 के ऊपर हम लोग ने जो कार्यकर्ता है हमारा, जो कोरोना वॉरियर्स यूथ कांग्रेस का, वो लोग ने सड़क पे उतर के अपना सुरक्षा छोड़ के लोगों का सुरक्षा में लगा है
जी।
जो मार्च में इसके एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात ऐड करना चाहता हूँ। मार्च 1 राहुल गांधी जी नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव में आए थे। हमारा यूथ कांग्रेस का हाईएस्ट बॉडी है जो दिल्ली में हमारा कार्यालय में हुआ था, उसमें आके दोबारा हम लोग को इंट किया था। जो पहले वाले पे भी वो इंट किया था, इसमें भी आके सबको बोले। तो उसी दिन हम लोग ने पूरा प्लान करके पूरा देश भर स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट्स, उसमें नेशनल ऑफिस बेरर, सब लोग ने मिल के ये हमने 3 महीने का मीन्स एवरी नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव 3 महीने का रोड मैप तय होता है। उसमें ज़्यादा हमने कोरोना और किसान का ज़्यादा फोकस किया था। इसमें कोरोना का जो डिसाइड हुआ तो लास्ट 10 डेज में लगातार पूरा कोई भी मरीज हो, किस तरीके से वो लोग का जो दिक्कतें होता है कोरोना महामारी से, उन लोग के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा बेड नहीं मिल पा रहा है, ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल पा रहा है, उन लोग के लिए कहीं ना कहीं कहाँ क्या करना, उनका कोविड टेस्ट करवाने के लिए दिक्कतें हो रहा है, टेस्टिंग सही तरीके से नहीं हो रहा है, उस पर मदद करने का तमाम चीज़ें। और प्लाज्मा जो कोविड रिक्वायर हो चुका है, तो वो लोग ने कहीं ना कहीं प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने में आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं। ये सारी चीज़ को लेके एक तरीके से प्लान करके एग्जीक्यूट करने में सारे कार्यकर्ता एक टीम वर्क होके
और मेरा एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है श्रीनिवास जी कि ये जो शुरुआत हुआ है, it has become very organized. That is the most admirable thing about all of this. Whether it is the Youth Congress, whether it is the Yuva Sena, whether it is the BJYM, the mobilization of all the young members of these youth wings of the political parties, including the Aam Aadmi Party's youth wing, has been the level of availability and organization and coordination. Charu Pragya, I want to bring you in as well. The BJYM is also another large organization with a great amount of strength, a lot of coordination, a lot of a deep-reaching network as well. I'm wondering, have you had any sleep for the last few days, Charu? Because I know you're very active on social media. Like Srinivas in the Youth Congress, you also have been forwarding messages. You've become a sort of hub on social media to respond to many of these SOS calls.
Shiv, all of us have been working around the clock, and I think this is a great example to show the nation how new age politicians work.
Yes.
We're able to collaborate, we're able to work together, and finally we're able to do what we are supposed to do in public life, which is serve the people of our nation. BJYM is the largest youth organization, I can say, in the whole world, because BJP is the largest political party. We have over 10 crore members, and last year, under the leadership of Poonam Mahajanji, we launched a hashtag called BJYM Cares. It extended to the BJYM Blood Helpline, and since then, for over a year, we've made sure that we're working not just in Delhi NCR regions, but in the far-flung corners of India, which doesn't even get media attention. So whether it is a tiny mountain village in Nagaland or an island of Andaman and Nicobar, the Yuva Morcha network exists everywhere. And because we are such an organized and disciplined party, we have been able to use this network to the advantage of our countrymen. So we have a group, we coordinate requests accordingly, we make sure it is forwarded to the correct unit. All the district heads are engaged in this, and because it's such a time of crisis, I understand that even working around the clock, we're not able to make the kind of impact we want to. We have more misses than hits, but we are proud to be where we are today and to be serving our ideology and to be serving our country.
I think that's amazing. I'm going in the next round of questions. I'm also going to ask you how you guys actually do this, because hum sab hain social media par, but one wonders with such a colossal tide of information and so many requests coming at the same time, how do you all sift through them and respond in a way that actually creates impact? Rahul, coming to Maharashtra, where the crisis is even bigger than in other states, how has the Yuva Sena mobilized? Even you and your teams have had sleepless nights. All of you are staying awake, constantly responding to SOS messages on social media, on SMS, whatever it is.
Yes, Mr. Arun. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone on this panel. And I would just get you one point clear. We are political parties, organization, youth affiliates coming in. But this was not possible without citizens and reporters and journalists who are helping us on ground. Firstly, I would tell you, see, any political organization is limited to its cadre. But we need support of local citizens who come in. We need support of journalists who have been constant through Twitter, through Facebook, through Instagram.
Yes.
We have got requests from every corner, and that was not possible with any political party or any individual per se. But see, at last it has been one big team who is fighting there. You have no political badge on you. You have no system to follow, but it is just that you have to be there whenever required.
Absolutely.
And it is all about going to, and firstly, I am very happy and proud to share this, that this is the only organization, Yuva Sena, under the leadership of Shri Aditya Thackeray ji. When we started in last March, we are the only organization reaching out to our four-legged friends who are stray animals, who are voiceless, basically. So in Maharashtra, what we are doing is we are reaching out every nook and corner, and this is the 13th month that we are reaching out to our stray animals also.
The reason this is great,
was need of the hour.
You know something, the reason why this is great, and I want to address all of my viewers and to all of you, is because, we know that in a fight against COVID, every single weapon we have needs to be used and deployed to meet the needs of the people. And that's why it is, while there is a lot of bickering over government ne ye nahi kiya, ya state government ne ye nahi kiya, all that is happening. But at the ground level, these youth wings of these political parties are quietly doing their work, which is what I think is very, very inspiring to young people everywhere. And it doesn't matter what your ideology is. Ankush, Delhi has gone into lockdown as well, 6-day lockdown we are entering right now. So your youth wing is also going to be even busier than before, responding to the many, many SOS calls from the people of the national capital, Ankush.
Yeah, very true. Actually, if you'll see, हम लास्ट जब मार्च से स्टार्ट हुआ कोविड, और कोविड स्टार्ट होते ही सबसे पहले हमारे मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने LNJP अस्पताल, जो हमारा हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा कोविड का अस्पताल है, उसको कोविड का अस्पताल बना दिया और 2010 बेड का बना दिया। उसके बाद हम लोग सारे पूरी दिल्ली को सैनिटाइज करने में लग गए। सारी यूथ विंग हमारी आम आदमी पार्टी की पूरी दिल्ली को सैनिटाइज करती रही। एक एक कोना, एक एक घर हमने सैनिटाइज किया। राशन की हमने फैसिलिटी बिल्कुल प्रॉपर तरीके से करवाई। दुकानों से राशन, जिनको दुकानों से नहीं मिला, जिनके पास आधार कार्ड था, उनका ई कूपन के माध्यम से राशन, और जिनके पास आधार कार्ड भी नहीं था, फिर हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने राशन का वितरण किया ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति दिल्ली के अंदर भूखा ना सोए। और अस्पतालों के अंदर अगर आप देखो तो अस्पतालों के अंदर एक एक मैनेजमेंट करना, हर एक अस्पताल के अंदर हमने युवा CM रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स लगा रखे और उनके साथ 15 से 20 लोगों की टीम है जो हेल्प डेस्क मॉनिटर करती है, जहां पे पेशेंट का स्टेटस पता चलता है, पेशेंट का सामान जाता है, वीडियो कॉलिंग होती है। इसके अलावा वार्ड्स को मैनेज करती है, जहां पर पेशेंट एडमिट होता है वहां पे पेशेंट केयर बढ़िया से हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही, डॉक्टर विजिट टाइम से कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे, और ICU मॉनिटरिंग करती है जहां पे पेशेंट सबसे ज्यादा क्रिटिकल होता है। तो एक एक चीज देखना, साथ में एम्बुलेंस का इंतजाम करना ताकि एम्बुलेंस घर से लेकर यहाँ पे आ जाए। जिस व्यक्ति को होम आइसोलेशन की जरूरत है उस व्यक्ति को होम आइसोलेशन प्रोवाइड करवाना।
What is
और उसके घर में
what is most fascinating? What is most fascinating about the help that is being provided by the youth wings of all your organizations is the number of moving parts that there are. Srinivas ji, एक उदाहरण दीजिए. We are all very curious and I want to tell all of our viewers, those who might be needing help from the youth wings, all of the people you see on my screen right now are on social media. Their organizations have verified handles on social media. You can get onto Twitter, Facebook, whatever it is, and reach out to them and hope for some kind of assistance. Srinivas ji, जब कोई SOS message आता है, just tell us briefly what is the process? आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं? वो डिसीजन मेकिंग वाला जो प्रोसेस है आपका, उसका थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन दीजिए।
मैं बताता हूं। सबसे पहले ये राजनीति करने का समय नहीं है, ना राजनीति का बात करने का। जो अभी इस मुसीबत में सब लोग एक होके इस कोरोना महामारी के खिलाफ लड़ना है।
करेक्ट।
जो या SOS में जो हम लोग के लिए पहले ही हमने सेग्रीगेट करता है, किस तरीके से केस आया है, उनको बेड का ज़रूरत है, उनको ऑक्सीजन का ज़रूरत है, दो अलग अलग हमने पार्ट बना के बिठाया है, टीम बना के उन लोग के लिए ट्रांसफ़र करता है। कुछ लोग के लिए कोविड टेस्ट करवाने के लिए तो रिक्वेस्ट आता है, उसके लिए अलग एक टीम है, उनको हमने सेपरेट करता है। कुछ लोग के लिए प्लाज्मा के लिए हम टोटल 100 लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं प्लाज्मा डोनेट करना। इस समय में जो प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने के लिए आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं लोग आके डोनेट करने के लिए, हम लोग ने 10,000 लोगों का आइडेंटिफिकेशन किया था, उसमें 5,000 लोग कहीं ना कहीं पीछे हट गया, हम डोनेट नहीं करेंगे। उन लोग के लिए फिर वापस काउंसलिंग करना पड़ा। एक आदमी 3 बार प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर सकता है, इससे 3 जान बच सकता है। बाद में उन लोग को अवेयर हुआ जो ब्लड डोनेशन करने के लिए आगे पीछे करता है, उस समय में प्लाज्मा करना है तो ये प्रोसेस अलग रहता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं पीछे हटता है। उनको भी हमने समझा के बहुत सारे लोगों को हमने लेके आए और उन लोग के लिए एक अलग टीम है। वो लोग तो कौन सा हॉस्पिटल में है, कौन सा ग्रुप का है, पेशेंट का सैंपल लेना, रिक्वेजिशन फॉर्म लेना, और वहाँ ब्लड डोनेशन बैंक में जाके कभी कभी क्या होता है हॉस्पिटल में आप वो लोग ने विदाउट डोनर वो लोग ने प्लाज्मा देते नहीं है हॉस्पिटल में, तब हमसे डोनर मांगता है, हम डोनर लेके जाके उनको डोनर दे देता है। वो लोग ने वहाँ ब्लड बैंक में उनसे कोई भी ग्रुप हो देल टेक, जो पेशेंट के लिए B पॉजिटिव चाहिए B पॉजिटिव वो लोग ने डोसेज करने का काम वो लोग कर रहे हैं। ऐसे हर लेवल पे अभी वैक्सीनेशन का कुछ लोग है माइग्रेंट है, उन लोग को वैक्सीनेशन लेना उसको एनरोल करना पड़ता है, 45 ईयर्स के ऊपर जो भी है वो लोग एनरोल करना पड़ता है, उसको भी एक अलग टीम है, वो लोग ने उन लोग के लिए समझाने का काम। तो मदद करने का काम हम लोग ने कर रहा है। जो अभी लास्ट 2 दिन में निगम बोध घाट में जो माइग्रेंट लोग हैं, जो होमलेस माइग्रेंट है दिल्ली में, तो वो लोग ने 2 दिन कर्फ्यू के वजह से उनका 2 दिन खाना नहीं था
जी,
तो वो
जी।
लोग ने सुबह खाना नहीं मिला, तुरंत हमको 12 बजे तक SOS में हम लोग के लिए रिक्वेस्ट आया।
हमने वो वीडियो
तुरंत
देखा था।
हमने 2000 के ऊपर लोगों को आफ्टरनून का पहले दिन का कल भी पूरा 2 बार खाना प्रोवाइड करने का काम हमने किया।
ओके।
हमने अलग अलग जो स्टेट वाइज टीम अलग अलग साइमल्टेनियसली काम कर रहे हैं। सेंट्रल पे जो भी स्टेट, कौन सा स्टेट का आएगा वहां का ऑल इंडिया इंचार्ज है, सेक्रेटरी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, उसको प्रोवाइड करेगा, और स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट जो उनका टीम अलग कर रहा है। वो ऐसा हमने काम को डिसेंट्रलाइज करके सबको डिवाइड कर रहा है। जो कौन सा काम देख रहा है, हॉस्पिटल का अलग है, इंजेक्शन का अलग है, प्लाज्मा का अलग है। तो इजीली सबसे ज्यादा युवा कांग्रेस का जो कार्यकर्ता है उसको तरीके से प्लान करके हमने एग्जीक्यूट करने
Okay, understood. Charu, let me bring Charu in on this, on the process. I understand what you're saying, Srinivas ji. Charu ji, is there, are your organizations getting overwhelmed with the number of SOS messages? Because there is always a risk. When you open the doors and say, if you have a problem, tell us about it and we'll try and help. You open the floodgates in one sense. And we all know the size of this crisis right now. Yes, I know the Youth Congress, the Yuva Sena, the BJYM are very large and highly organized, organizations. But are you guys getting overwhelmed, or are you able to, deal with all these cases and process them appropriately?
Shiv, the biggest challenge in this year, which is different from last year, is that the nature of requests have changed.
Yeah.
Last year, if we needed to get food to someone, one of us could have just sent it from our own homes. A lot of organization was required, but it did not need institutional support like we need this particular year. So keeping those things in mind, BJYM Chief Tejasvi ji decided that we have to make sure that we have a war room which is dealing with the biggest problems at hand. One, plasma donation. So we have set up a huge camp which is set to happen on the 27th of this month, and through you and through your channel, I want to appeal to all Indians who've recovered from COVID. More than 12.5 million of us have recovered from COVID. Please save a life. Don't let it weigh on your conscience that you could have saved a life and you did not because you were too scared. So that's one thing that BJYM is doing under the leadership of Tejasvi ji. Another thing that we are doing now is we are setting up helplines which is also going to have doctors because our hospitals are so overburdened and they're not able to provide proper attention to people who can also be isolated at home and looked after.
Yes.
Tejasvi ji's helplines, which will be run by professionals, is going to ensure that we can give support to patients at home 24/7, monitor
Very
them,
important.
make sure
Yeah.
that they know exactly what medicines to take, and then we are keeping tabs on which medicine is available in which part of the country, and that's been one very big challenge. Also, another challenge has been to make sure we keep a ready and updated list of where ventilators are available, where oxygen beds are available, because especially in Delhi, I am based out of Delhi, our infrastructure is crumbling medically. So we have to find an alternate, and I think this is where BJYM has surpassed expectations of everyone, because we are using technology in the best possible manner. We are using a round-robin system of allotting phone calls from our national general secretaries to our vice presidents to our state chiefs. Everybody is working in tandem.
Yeah.
And you're absolutely right. Sometimes it is like opening the floodgates when you say you're here to help. But the citizens understand that we are doing our best. Sometimes our best might not be good enough, but our good intentions are being recognized. That's important.
Rahul, I just have a few minutes left, and I want to ask each one of you this very important question, which is that, we live in a country where we are very politically divided. There is a lot of acrimonious politics that happens between the Shiv Sena and the BJP, between the BJP and the Congress, between AAP and BJP, AAP and Congress. But ladai to hoti rehti hai. But in this crisis, we all have to be completely united. Is there any scope? I'm asking a very specific question, and I'll get all of you to answer. Is there any scope for cooperation between your youth wings to mobilize and make this an even more impactful effort to answer the call of SOS people?
Yeah, Arunji, I would like to draw your attention here. Like in Mumbai, especially Maharashtra, if you see, अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे भी देखेंगे तो वी ऑल हैव कोऑर्डिनेटेड. जैसे अगर कोई रिक्वेस्ट आती है तो दे टैग बेसिकली सी, जैसे श्रीनिवासन जी को टैग कर दिया है, मुझे टैग कर दिया है, आप को टैग किया है. तो बात ये नहीं है कि फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट हो रहा है, बात ये है कि वहां पे जिन्होंने टैग किया उनको हेल्प पहुंचे. तो कई बार ऐसे होता है हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की हेल्प उनके तक पहुंचती है.
So you are talking to each other. So you are talking to each other.
Yeah, we are
That's great.
to Twitter.
That's great.
Everyone is forwarding each other. And Arunji, one more thing I want to share through your medium is from tomorrow in Mumbai specifically, we are starting a drive. We are also taking out a helpline number which is 98040. This will be only for our COVID warriors basically. And you know, जैसे हमारा पुलिस स्टाफ, हमारा BMC स्टाफ जो रोड पे है, फील्ड पे है 24 घंटे, उनके लिए हमारे फूड ट्रक्स के थ्रू हम लोग टी, स्नैक्स एंड वाटर सप्लाई करने वाले हैं.
Great.
Which will be something, you know, क्या आपकी गली के नीचे भी किसी को जरूरत हो.
Absolutely. You know, this is all good stuff. Ankush, you know, राजनीति में दुश्मनी तो होता रहता है. You know, there are very sharp differences between Aam Aadmi Party and the other parties in Delhi. But is you know, in this problem that we are facing right now, is the Aam Aadmi Party cooperating with the other youth wings? Is there a cooperation happening like what Rahul was also saying? Okay, Ankush can't hear me. I'm going to I'll toss that question to Srinivas. Srinivas ji, क्या cooperation हो रहा है या कुछ scope है youth wings के बीच में to make this entire process even more streamlined or impactful? क्या BJYM, युवा सेना और Indian Youth Congress एकजुट होके respond कर सकते हैं cooperatively?
No, उस पे कर सकता है, बट अभी तक नहीं हो रहा है. बट वो कुछ केसेस में दोनों लोग को टैग करता है. उसमें क्या करते हैं, हम भी आ जाते हैं मदद करने, वो लोग भी आ जाता है.
ओवरलैप हो जाता है.
अभी कोई कौन कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, कोई भी छोटा मदद हो उस समय में वो ओवरलैप हो जाएगा. फिर उसमें कौन पहले आके मदद करेगा, उसको मदद मिलेगा. कुछ लोग ऐसे ही हर इसमें आके टैग करना, बाद में कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं करेगा, ये तमाम चीज़ें चलता है. बट जो भी है दिल से, जो सेवा मनोभाव से, जो उसका तकलीफ क्या रहता है वो उस पेशेंट को, उस मरीज लोग को पता रहता है उस समय में. इसीलिए जो भी करना है तो तरीके से किसी को भी टैग करे. हमको भी अन्य दल का लोग का जो भी बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट है, हमने बहुत सारे लोगों को मदद करते हैं. उसमें हम देखते नहीं है ये कौन सा पार्टी से, ये कौन सा दल का है, ये कौन है, क्या है. हमारा मकसद है किसी को जान होता है, उसको कैसे मदद करे, वही एक हमारा सोच है. उसी एंगल से हमने मदद करना. बीच में आपस में तालमेल होना कहीं ना कहीं जरूरी है और अच्छे से काम कर सकते हैं. क्यों? तो सत्ता पे आम आदमी पार्टी है और बीजेपी है, ज्यादा उनका ज्यादा सिस्टम उनका चलता है. क्यों? तो वो लोग और ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. वी आर अपोजिशन, हमारा हाथ में कितना हम कोशिश करते हैं उतना कर सकते हैं. तो एक ऐसे आपदा में एक मेडिकल इमरजेंसी है. ये मेडिकल इमरजेंसी.
Charu, what is the solution to this? Keeping the politics aside, what is the solution to this? Because and I want you to give some actionable points to our viewers also, Charu. You know, when they're putting out an SOS, they will maybe tag you guys, also the Youth Congress, also the Yuva Sena. Everyone will respond together, and that's a wastage of resources. An overlap of resources. Is there a solution around this? Can there be some kind of conversation happening between youth wings to separate out so there can be focused attention to each case?
So Shiv, we have to remember that everyone who's tagging us today has already exhausted their own resources, and that's exactly why they're taking to social media or helplines to seek help. So we recognize that. And Tejasvi ji has made one thing very clear. This is not a competition. This is a chance to serve your nation. And that has to be at the forefront of every single response we make on social media. So those who are tagging us, I have a few requests for you. One, please verify the requests you're posting on social media. So many times our efforts have been wasted because later on it turns out that request was from several months ago. So kindly verify. You'll be helping us in saving precious resources and time. The second most important thing is Please come forward to help. Donate plasma. I cannot stress on this enough. Please donate plasma. It's the single most important thing. We are going to be setting up a camp on the 27th, and we will appreciate every single person who comes forward to help. The third important thing is people who are hoarding medicines. We come to know about it. There's a black market of medicine happening everywhere. Stop doing it.
Yeah.
It's going to weigh on your conscience later. So kindly don't do that. And forwarding requests on social media or trying to outdo each other. Please understand, life is at stake. We are here to help
Absolutely.
as much as we can, but we're also human at the end of the day. So many a times, there's a lot of unnecessary negativity and trolling which happens when you're
Yeah.
unable to help.
Absolutely.
I apologize for all the times that we have not been able to step up to your expectations. I apologize with folded hands, but trust me, we're all trying our best. And like I said right in the very beginning, this is the new age of politics. We are going to work together to protect our country, to help our country, and not mudsling, please.
Absolutely. No more mudslinging. I want to see more cooperation. And thank you all for agreeing to be with me live at the same time. I know how busy you are. It's difficult to get time from you, especially at a time when you're responding to so many SOS messages with every single minute. So I appreciate your time. Hopefully this conversation will be the beginning of a stronger handshake between all four of your youth wings so that more citizens can be helped and the rate of response to those SOS messages can be much, much faster. Thank you to all of you. And I hope you get some free time with your families very, very soon. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.